Hello. Hello, Quang Miên.
Nghe nào.
Hello, Quang Miên. Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes? Okay.
Yes.
All right. So how are you today? How are you? How are you, Quang Miên? How are you? Good?
I think doing you.
Oh, that's good to know. I'm also doing good.
Ada. Ada. Size na. Right of Kingdom.
Okay, are you ready, Quang Miên? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's try. Okay, let's answer. Okay, hello, Quang Miên. Can you hear me right? Hello? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So let's wait for a while. So our lesson is all about the action, right? The action. So cooking, eating, dancing, and singing, right? You still remember?
Uh,
No?
there.
No?
Number one.
No, 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 no. Okay, you listen. Okay, listen
Yeah.
very. Yes. Okay, you want to draw something before we start? Okay, draw something. Okay, let's draw. Kwangmin, hello. Kwang.
Go.
Okay. Okay, look at the screen now. Wait for a while. Let me stop the screen and then share a new material. Mm-hmm. Kwangmin. Kwangmin, where are you? I can't see you. Kwangmin, hello. Where did you go?
Hello.
Oh, hello. Where did you go? Okay, you still remember the actions, right? The eat, drink. Eat, drink, sleep, and play, right? So can you still recall? The word is eat. Say the word eat.
Fry.
Eat,
Học rồi mà cô.
eat. Okay.
Học rồi mà cô.
Oh, no. Okay, now let's proceed. Okay.
Học rồi mà teacher. Học
Yes.
rồi mà.
What? What are you gonna do?
Học rồi mà teacher. Học rồi mà cô. Học rồi mà cô.
Okay. Now, are you ready? Are you ready,
Học
right?
rồi mà cô. Học
Oh,
rồi mà.
Hmm. What?
Con bảo học rồi mà cô không chịu nghe.
Oh. So let's
Yes,
recall the it. Look at this one.
Đánh nghe bằng teacher bằng cái này vậy.
Okay. So now listen and say, then act. So look at the screen and then look at the picture. So you read. We have here a girl.
Yes.
Okay, what is the girl? You read, let's
play.
let's
Play.
And what is the answer of the other girl? Good. Good. Good.
Teacher, lại.
Good. Okay, are you doing? Good.
Teacher, lại.
Oh no. Can you hear me? Oh, you're using.
Con đeo tai nghe.
Okay, hello. You're using your headphones too? Okay, good idea. Say hello. Hello, teacher.
Hello.
Yes, I
Hello.
can hear you now. Say the word hello. Hello.
Hello.
That's good, Quang Min.
Sao?
Okay, you read. Let's play. Let's look at the screen. Let's play.
Let's play.
Good.
Let's play.
Good. Good.
Good.
Idea.
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
Good idea. Say good idea.
Good idea.
Very good. Now next. Number 2. Let's eat. You say let's eat. Let's eat, teacher. Let's eat, teacher. You say let's eat, teacher.
Let's eat, teacher.
Eat. Let's eat.
Let's eat, teacher.
Let's eat. Say the word eat. Let's eat, teacher. Let's eat.
Teacher.
Let's go.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Let's go.
Let's go. Next. Let us dance. Okay, let us dance, Quang Min. Can you dance? Dance, 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 Quang Min.
Dance.
Dance. Let's dance, Quang Min.
I wanna.
Let's dance. Say hello. Let's go. Okay, very good. Quang Min, now let's continue with the next part. Quang Min.
Teacher, chỗ điều khiển ở đâu teacher?
Hello.
Teacher. Chỗ điều khiển ở đâu hả cô?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you. Okay, you read. Play. What is the girl doing here? Play. Play.
Play the guitar.
Very good. Play the guitar. Now
Play the guitar.
Can you do this? Guitar.
Listen to music. Watch TV. Do homework.
Again, play the guitar. Play the guitar. You read again. You read again.
Okay.
Play the guitar.
Play the guitar.
Next. Next. Listen Listen to. Why are you whispering? I can't hear you. Listen to. Oh no. Loud. Make it loud. Okay, make it loud. We are not playing here. We are studying. Okay, you read. Listen to. I can't hear you. Quang Min. Listen to. Music. Next. Watch. Okay. I'm not happy. Teacher is not happy now. I want you to be serious.
Yeah.
Okay, can you do that now? Again. You read again. Play. Play the guitar. Listen to music. Watch TV. Do homework. Okay? Okay, come on, listen,
Oh, haha.
answer. Okay, you read. Is he?
Yes.
Is he?
Listen, ask, and is he play the guitar?
Is he play? You say, is he playing the guitar?
Yes, he is.
Yes, he is. Next.
Is.
Okay, yes, he is. Next. Next one. Okay, wait. Wait for teacher. Okay, let's wait. Okay, wait for a while. Let me charge my laptop. Okay, listen. Listen. Okay, you read. Is he playing the
Listen.
guitar? Is he? Yes. Yes. Kwang Min, yes, he is. I can't hear
Yes,
you.
he is.
Did she? Is she playing the guitar? Yes, she is. Okay, you read.
Yes,
You read.
she is.
No, no, no. You
No,
read.
he isn't.
Next. No, no.
No, no, she
Isn't.
isn't.
Isn't is not. Aren't are not. Okay, now let's try to answer number one. Answer number one. Picture. What is the boy doing? Number one. Look, Kwang Min. Kwang Min. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, you read.
Yes.
Okay, hello?
I'll see if they
Quang Min. Oh my God. Quang Min. Hello?
eh?
Hello? Where are you?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Hello.
Yes. Okay, number 1. What is the boy doing? Is
Yes.
he playing the guitar? Is he playing the guitar? Look
Yes,
at number.
he is.
Very good. Is she writing? Is she doing her homework? Number 2. Is she doing her homework? Yes.
Yes, he is.
Okay, number 3. Are they watching TV? Number 3. Are they watching TV? Number 3. Yes. Yes,
Yes,
they.
they are.
Very good. And number 4. Are they listening to music? Are they listening to music? Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
they
they
are.
are. Okay,
Yes,
good.
they are.
Yes, they are. Now this time, okay, next. Listen and number. I want you to listen and number. Kwang Min, hello. Kwang Min, are you listening?
Hello.
Are you listening to teacher? Yes or no? Are you
Yes.
listening? Okay, this time listen. I want you to listen. Can you do that?
Yes.
Okay, look.
Yes.
Okay, look at the screen now. Look at the screen. Kwang Min. Okay, number. I want you to number this one.
Mr. Uh,
Listen and number.
teacher.
What?
May
What
I?
did you What did you say? Kwang Min, hello.
Hello. Mom. Mom. Mom.
Can you hear me? Okay, try to number 1. Where is put number 1 to playing the guitar? Number 1. Put number 1. Put number 1. Where is it? Where is the playing guitar? Can you write? Okay, this one. Play the guitar. What is the girl doing? Kwang Min.
Find the reader. plays the guitar.
Why are you whispering?
Oops, sorry.
Why are you whispering? Okay, next.
Next.
Okay, you listen. Okay, where is circle? What is the boy doing here? Doing home.
Doing homework.
Very good. What about this one? What are they doing? Are they eating?
Are they eating?
Are they eating? Yes.
Yes, they are.
Yes, they are. Next, is she listening to music? Is she listening to music? Is she listening to music? Yes, she.
No, she isn't.
No, she
No,
isn't.
she isn't.
Very good. Okay, next. Let's continue with this lesson all about homes. Homes. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, look at the picture. Look at the picture and okay, please read. Bed. You read the sentence. Read the word. Bed.
Desk, bookstore, table, sofa, top, computer,
Clock. Clock. Clock.
clock,
Computer.
clock,
Computer.
computer,
Very good. Bed.
computer,
Okay, you listen to teacher.
computer,
No, it's not computer. Computer. Say the word bed. 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 Books.
computer,
Computer.
desk, bookstore,
Shelf.
table, sofa, clock, computer.
Very good. So now I want you to listen. Listen. And number. Can you draw? Can you draw? Can you draw like this? Can you do this? Can you do this, Kwang Min? I want you to draw something.
Yes.
Okay, draw something. Draw some. Okay, where is the bed? Where is the bed? Where is the bed, Kwang Min? Where is the bed? Kwang Min, hello, what is this? Hello, can you hear me?
Is bread.
Okay, what about this one? What's this?
Is clock.
Very good, this one.
Is bookstore.
Good. Next. What about this one? Where is the computer?
Computer.
This one.
Computer. No.
Next.
Ha.
So,
Is sofa.
very good. And this one. What's this?
Is books.
Books. And last, table. Very
Books.
good, Kwangmin. You're doing good. Great job. So now let's continue this one. Listen and say, then practice. You read a sentence. There's a bed next to the bookshelf. You read. There is
There is
a bed
there is a bed next to the bookstore.
bookshelf. Very good. So next to, in front, behind. Next to, this is next to, in front, and behind. Okay, you understand? Okay, now where is the bed? So you read, there is a bed. Number 1, there's a bed.
Yeah, it's the best.
Next,
A best
next.
next to bookstore.
Okay, this one. There's a bed. Where is the bookshelf? A bed.
A best
Bed. Next, in front or behind?
behind.
Very good. So you read. Again, there's a bed behind. There's a bed behind the bookshelf. Number 3. Okay, what is this? Okay, what is this? It's
There's a sofa behind the book. The
table.
The table.
Again, there's a sofa. There is, hello, there's a sofa.
There's a sofa behind the chair.
Chair, table. Okay, next. Number 4. Number 4, Kwangmin. There's a sofa.
There's a sofa in front of a table.
Very good. Number 5. There is
computer next to clock.
Very good. And last, there is a clock. There is a clock behind, in front of the computer. Okay, so now I think we are running out of time, Kwangmin, to continue this lesson. Now smile, Kwangmin. Okay, smile. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Kwangmin.
Smile.
Okay, thank you so much, Kwangmin, for having my class for today. Goodbye and see you next time. Bye.